Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to fix display not compatible with Windows 10. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button and comment down below on our videos about your problem and we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Step 1. Update your graphic drivers. Outdated or faulty graphic drivers can cause the display not compatible problems. Visit the website of your graphic card manufacturer, it can be Nvidia or AMD or Intel, to download and install the latest driver for a specific graphics card model. To do this, press the Windows key plus R to open a Run dialog box. Type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. It will list all the integrated and dedicated graphic drivers installed on your computer. From there, right-click on the display driver and choose Uninstall driver. Make sure to uncheck the Delete that driver software for this device option in the pop-up if it shows up. Now go to top menu in Device Manager and under the Actions tab, select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the display adapters list. If it does not, then don't worry, just restart your PC and it will appear back. Now right-click on the display driver again and choose Update driver and select Search automatically for drivers. Window will automatically scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, restart your PC to apply the changes. If it didn't work, again right-click on display driver and choose Update driver. But this time, select Browse my computer for driver software. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the driver you want to install. Generally, it is the pre-selected top option in the list. And after that, click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. If even that doesn't work, you can try going to a laptop or graphic card manufacturer's official website and downloading the latest driver for your specific model from there. And then simply install the driver and restart your PC to apply the changes. Step 2. You can also uninstall third-party display drivers. In some cases, individuals encountered a specific problem related to a display adapters. They identified the presence of display drivers like Cyberlink mirror driver within their display adapters list, which was causing issues with their computer's updating process and getting the display not compatible error. To resolve this problem, they took the initiative to simply uninstall the Cyberlink mirror driver and subsequently rebooted their computers. This action proved to be successful in resolving the issue, as their computer began updating without any further hindrance. To do this, right-click the Start icon on your desktop and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, click the arrow next to Display Adapters to expand it. Right-click the extra display drivers like Cyberlink mirror driver or in this PC, Nvidia GeForce MX 930 or something similar which is not the default one on your computer. Then simply select Uninstall device. Click Uninstall to confirm the operation. After the third-party drivers are removed, restart your computer. Then your system will download the proper drivers automatically. Once the process is finished, try updating the Windows again and see if the error is resolved or not. Step 3. Simply perform a clean boot. Clean boot is a troubleshooting approach in Windows that allows you to start your computer with a limited collection of launch programs and services. This assists in identifying and isolating program conflicts that may be causing the display not compatible problems. To troubleshooting clean boot mode, simply perform these steps. Press the Windows key plus R to open a Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter to open the system configuration. In the system configuration window, simply go to Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. After that, click the Disable All button. Next, go to Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Then, in the Task Manager window, disable all the startup programs by right-clicking on each entry and selecting the Disable option. After that, close the Task Manager and go back to System Configuration window. Then, click OK and restart the computer and check if the problem is resolved or not. Step 4. Update your Windows if display is not compatible. To tackle the display not compatible error effectively, it is crucial to ensure your Windows operating system remains current with the latest updates and patches. Keeping your system up to date is a fundamental aspect of maintaining its good performance and resolving potential issues. Windows updates frequently contain important bug fixes and enhancements aimed at improving the overall stability and functionality of your computer. These updates often address specific problems like display not compatible error. By regularly checking for and installing these updates, you significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering such issues and ensure that the computer operates very smoothly. To do this, simply open Settings using Windows plus I hotkeys. Choose Windows Updates from the left panel. Click on Check for Update option. Wait until Windows downloads all the available updates. Once done, simply reboot the system and check for the problem. Step 5. Install Windows with Media Creation Tool. If you find yourself in a situation where none of the previously mentioned solutions have proven effective in addressing the persistent display not compatible issue, a more comprehensive approach may be required. In such cases, undertaking a clean install of Windows 10 can often provide a viable resolution. To embark on this process, you can utilize the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, a versatile utility that enables you to create an installation package on either a CD or a USB flash drive, depending upon your preference. However, it's crucial to proceed with caution when considering a clean install, as this operation involves wiping your current operating system entirely and reinstalling Windows 10 from scratch. Therefore, it is imperative to emphasize the importance of backing up your Windows 10 system to an external USB drive before commencing the clean installation process. This precautionary step ensures the preservation of all your essential data and files and also safeguarding against potential data loss during the reinstallation. By taking these proactive measures and opting for a clean install of Windows 10 when all else fails, you can effectively resolve the display not compatible issue and rejuvenate your operating system for a smoother and trouble-free computer experience. To do this, restart your computer after inserting the installation disk. When your computer boots into BIOS, press a certain key, it can be F2 or F11, to change your boot order so that your computer boots from the installation disk. When the page has loaded, simply click Install Now and then proceed as directed to finish the procedure. So this was it for the video, guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.